The top online fashion store for women, Fashion Nova's account can be created easily. Want to learn how to download and sign up for Fashion Nova app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to create an account in Fashion Nova, first of all you need to have the Fashion Nova app. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, tap on the search for apps and games option on the top, enter here Fashion Nova and search for this particular app. Tap on install on the top right corner and let this app to get installed. Just wait for it. As the app gets installed completely, tap on open option on the bottom right corner. You can see that it's being open and now you're into the very initial page of Fashion Nova. Tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on my account below favorites. Since we are trying to create an account, tap on create account on the bottom next to don't have an account. Now you need to enter your first name, your last name, the email address that you want for this account, and then create a password. Make sure to make it stronger. Once you finish creating all of the details, tap on create account below. So you can see that there is a warm welcome from Fashion Nova. That's hi Alexa Gill, and I have successfully created an account for myself. So I'm going to tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top left corner once again, and then tap on my account to see that this is my account, and I can browse and shop for the best women's wear, be it for curve, men, kids, beauty, and the list goes on. So this is how you do it. This is how you sign up and download for Fashion Nova app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.